Hey everyone, it's Chevy here, and today we're going to be talking about a legendary beast, the Canon T3i, and if it's still great in 2018. Now when it comes to the Canon T3i, I'm not going to talk to you about all the specs and all the functionality that it has because there's many videos on YouTube about that. What we're talking to you about today is if it's still great in 2018, if you can still use it for photos, videos, or everything in between that. So let's get into it. When it comes to the Canon T3i, we all know that it shoots 1080p at 24 FPS and 30 FPS, as well as 720p at 60 FPS. Now there are other cameras out there like the Panasonic GH5, GH4, Sony's that shoot above 60 FPS at 90, 96, 120, even 240 FPS. Even your iPhone can shoot at 240 FPS. But even with all those slow motion capabilities, 60 FPS is still good enough to use in 2018. Now when it comes to photo capabilities, it is still a great all-around camera. I still use it today with all my events and bookings that I go to. I do quinceañeras, sweet 16s, I do birthdays, I do club events, football games, I do all sorts of stuff all around, and I use my Canon T3i every day for it, and it's still great to this day. In my opinion, if you're a beginner like I was a couple years ago, the Canon T3i is a great camera. Yes, I bought it 3 years ago or so, maybe even a year ago, I don't remember, but I still use it till today because it's a great all-around camera. Do I need to upgrade my camera? No. What I've been upgrading has been my lens, my equipment, everything all around, because the camera is such a small piece of equipment in your whole setup for what you use. The camera is like the littlest thing, in my opinion. You have your lens, your microphone, so for audio, your lighting, everything plays a great factor in creating a great film or piece or for photography to use it for. So for me, the Canon T3i in 2018 is still a great buy in my opinion, especially for a beginner. You can go online right now and pick one up for maybe $300, $400, maybe even less. And it's a great starter kit just to go around, make your money, and upgrade when you're ready. Fun fact though, I'm actually shooting this tutorial vlog, whatever you want to call it, on a Canon T3i. I went and purchased that just before Christmas, so 3 or so weeks ago, for about 150 bucks. The reason I got that is for this specific reason, because I can set this up on my cage and do these one-on-ones or whatever you want to call them with you guys. I can set it up with my Sigma 17-50 lens, have my mic on the side, my LED, and have my monitor right below so I can look at that and see everything I'm doing. My Canon T3i, will I use it to take it out of the house and go do bookings? If I need a backup camera, why not? Because it's still great. It's almost the same as the T3i. There's no flip out screen in my opinion. It has everything that I need for it. So I would say the Canon T3i is still a great buy. But if you want to use it for vlogging purposes and stuff like that, the flip out screen with the Canon T3i is an amazing thing to have. So when you want to, like, the flip out screen is amazing. So if you ever want to just walk around and be vlogging, it is phenomenal. You can see yourself and everything. Like, that is what it's amazing for. I'm gonna show you guys a little clip of what I did last year when it came to the Canon T3i. A couple of slow-mo clips that I've done. Mind you, back then last year when I was using the Canon T3i, I didn't know as much as I know now about slow-mo and frame rates and all that other stuff like ISO and aperture. I didn't know all about that back then. So slow-mo footage is a little for what I prefer now, for what I know I'm capable of, but it's still good back then, and this was the T3i. So as you can see with that footage, the Canon T3i still holds up till today. Low light is not that good because it's a crop sensor, not a full frame. And obviously full frame, everyone says is better because more dynamic range, more light gets let in, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I understand that. Like I said, for beginners and just starting out, or even just like your backup camera, Canon T3i to me is still great for 2018. And the whole new thing with 4K, everyone knows 4K, everyone knows 4K. Not a lot of people even know what 4K is. I know what it is, but I can't really explain to you guys that well. But just think about it as this. Something called upscaling. If your quality is sharp enough and looks great enough, you can get away with using 1080p and upscaling to 4K when no one will know the difference. I know a lot of guys in the music video industry, like YC Imaging creator Ryan, who will shoot in 4K but still downscale 1080p to put it on YouTube. I believe 110% the Canon T3i is still a legendary beast and still can be used in 2018 for almost anything. That's what I believe. If you guys feel otherwise, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you feel about it. Let me know if you'd still go purchase one today and just have it around just to have fun with, you know, because honestly, it's a great camera. It's a great camera all around. I love the videos, the photos, and one thing I love mainly is why I love Canon so much is the Canon colors. Alright guys, that's all for today, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.